Hey everyone, ready to share some awesome tips for your trip to Paris? We're talking about everything from the best time to visit to secret spots most tourists never find. Get ready to explore the City of Lights like a pro. We'll make sure you're saying ooh la la to an amazing Parisian adventure. Dreaming of Paris? Before you pack your bags, let's make sure your trip is unforgettable. First things first, when should you visit Paris? The good news is, Paris is amazing all year round. Springtime is magical, with flowers blooming everywhere and cafes bustling with people. Or maybe you prefer autumn. Imagine crisp air, colorful leaves, and that cozy, romantic feeling. Plus, spring and autumn mean fewer crowds and better prices than summer. Now before you even say bonjour, remember, good manners are super important in Paris. Always say bonjour when you enter a shop or restaurant. It's like a magic word. And don't forget to say merci when you leave. Being polite goes a long way. Remember, you're a guest in their city, so be patient, don't be loud or pushy, and you'll be welcomed with open arms. Paris is best explored on foot, but for longer distances, the metro is your new best friend. Don't be scared of those colorful lines, it's easy to use and super fast. Download the City Mapper app. It's like having a map in your pocket. It'll show you the fastest way to get around, whether it's by metro, bus, or even those cool electric scooters. And if you're feeling adventurous, rent a Vélib bike and experience Paris like a local. Okay, I know you want that Eiffel Tower selfie, but trust me, the best experiences in Paris are hidden away from the crowds. Those restaurants with Eiffel Tower views on the menu, often overpriced and not that great. Instead, try those charming little restaurants in neighborhoods like Le Marais or Montmartre. You'll find authentic food and real Parisian vibes. And watch out for those friendship bracelet scams near Sacré-Cœur. Remember, the best souvenirs are the memories you make, not the things you buy. Let's talk about apps. Your phone can be your best friend in Paris. We already talked about City Mapper, but don't forget Duolingo. Learning a few basic French phrases will make a big difference. Ordering a croissant with a bonjour, un croissant s'il vous plaît, will get you delicious pastry and friendly smiles. And for museum lovers, the Paris Museum Pass lets you skip the lines at the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and more. Now let's talk about tipping. Good news, it's not complicated in Paris. Service charges are already included in your bill, so no need to do extra math. But, a little extra for great service is always appreciated. Think of it as a big thank you for going above and beyond. Round up your bill, leave a few extra euros, or if you're feeling generous, a 5 to 10% tip for amazing service will make you a true Parisian. I know you want that Eiffel Tower selfie, and you should. But Paris is so much more than just landmarks. Get lost in the streets of Le Marais, where history is everywhere you look, and cute shops tempt you with Parisian style. Or take a walk along Canal Saint-Martin, a favorite spot for locals with its cool cafes and relaxed atmosphere. And don't even get me started on Montmartre. This charming hilltop neighborhood is where famous artists like Picasso and Renoir used to hang out. You can feel the creativity in the air as you explore its squares and enjoy the amazing views. Okay, let's talk packing. Nobody wants to carry around a huge suitcase. The key is to pack smart. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Layers, layers, layers. Parisian weather can change quickly. And here's a tip, pack a reusable water bottle. Paris has free public fountains everywhere with fresh, clean water. Save money and the planet, it's a win-win. Let's talk about safety. Paris is generally a very safe city, but it's always good to be aware. Just like in any big city, be careful with your belongings, especially in crowded places like the metro or tourist attractions. Keep your valuables safe and don't wave around lots of cash. And here's a tip. If you're ever lost or unsure, don't be afraid to ask a police officer or someone working in a shop or restaurant for directions. Parisians might seem a little reserved, but they're usually helpful if you ask politely. There you have it, your guide to an amazing Parisian experience. Remember, Paris is more than just a place to visit, it's a feeling. So embrace getting lost, enjoy every bite of buttery croissant, and let the city work its magic on you. You might even leave a little piece of your heart in the City of Lights. And before you start your Parisian adventure, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up for more travel tips. Until next time, bon voyage. Well, that's it, your Parisian adventure awaits. I hope these tips have inspired you to pack your bags and go. Remember, the best way to experience Paris is to get lost in its charm. Don't be afraid to explore, talk to locals, a little French goes a long way, and enjoy every moment. And hey, if you get lost, don't worry, that's often where the best adventures begin. So go explore and create those unforgettable Parisian memories. Until then, happy travels.